There are cars that define a generation, and then there's the Peugeot 5004, a vehicle that didn't just define an era, but endured across decades, continents, and cultures. First launched in 1968, the 504 was Peugeot's answer to the need for a stylish, durable, and practical family car. But what they created went far beyond expectations. Designed by the legendary Pininfarina, the 504 combined French elegance with understated toughness. Its long hood, strong shoulder lines, and confident stance gave it a presence that was both refined and rugged. Underneath the beauty was a car built to last. With its independent rear suspension, solid rear axle on some versions, and incredibly comfortable ride, it quickly earned a reputation for being as smooth on the highways of Europe as it was tough on the unforgiving roads of Africa and South America. And that's where the 504 truly became a legend. While it was a hit in Europe, it was in places like Nigeria, Argentina, and Kenya that the 504 transformed into something more than a car. It became a lifeline. Used as taxis, police cars, and family workhorses, the 504 was loved for its reliability, its simplicity, and its ability to just keep going and going. But it wasn't all practicality. The 504 also had flair. There were coupes and convertibles that oozed Italian charm, diesel variants that ran forever, and rally-spec versions that dominated events like the Safari Rally, where brute strength met brutal terrain. It won the European Car of the Year in 1969 and remained in production in various parts of the world until as late as 2006, an astonishing lifespan that proves just how well it was built. Today, the Peugeot 504 stands as a symbol of resilience and timeless design. It's the kind of car that may not turn heads with raw speed, but wins hearts with endurance, elegance, and soul. It wasn't just a car, it was a companion, a worker, a survivor. The Peugeot 504 didn't just travel roads, it owned them.